Guys, back again with this time with the coins from the princely state of Bikaner, or Bikaner as it is minted over here. So these come in two varieties, 1892 and 1897. The 1897 are generally considered to be a bit more scarce, and as we had seen in my other video of the Alvar coin, the front or the obverse contains a bust of Victoria Empress, while the reverse consists of this nice little design or pattern with Bikaner state minted at the bottom, 1 rupee at the top, and Maharaja Ganga Singh Bahadur minted in Hindi, with these two sort of lamps or mashals as we call them, and it's a nice coin in general. So it's 1892 as I mentioned, the date over here, same coin 1892. There are no varieties as far as I know apart from the two dates. Same coin again 1892. This is a bit crude, I would say, in a crude state because of the elements, all silver 90. And over here, yeah, this is the one that I was talking about. These are a bit rare, 1897. The rest of the inscription remains the same, 1 rupee Bikaner state, and the inscription in Urdu. The front obviously remains the same as well, Victoria Empress. Victoria Empress again, 1897. These are a couple of coins from Bikaner state depicting Sri Ganga Singh Bahadur, Maharaj Ganga Singh Bahadur. These are apparently in silver as well. I don't know the date that's struck over here, but the other stuff in Hindi is Raj Sri Ganga Shahi Ek Rupya Bikanir, and it's got an emblem of the state. So it's a nice coin overall. Again the same coin, same date. This coin commands a premium over the other two. It slightly goes for a higher value, but on eBay again you can get knockoffs for less than half the price, so please be aware guys. Thank you for now.